As first step for today's recipe, we are gonna start by preparing the vegetables. We are gonna take one medium-sized white onion and we are gonna finely chop it. Then put it aside because we will use it later. Then take two medium-sized carrots, clean them and chop them into small dices and also put them aside because we will use them later. And at the end take two celery sticks and finally chop them into dices. A very important tip is that all the vegetables should be finely chopped, so later when we put them in the pan with the tomato sauce, they will melt and they will give to the sauce this creamy consistency. To add some meaty flavor, I'm gonna use the shitake mushrooms, but at home you can use also the brown mushrooms or other types of mushrooms that you have. Chop them in small dices and leave them aside. Then I'm gonna take two garlic cloves. I'm gonna crush them because this way is easier to peel them. Look. And then I'm gonna chop them into small dices. I'm gonna take a fresh pepperoncino, but if you don't have a fresh one at home, you can also use the chili flakes, it's okay. Then we are gonna take a saucepan and we are gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and the garlic and pepperoncino first, then onion, carrots, celery and mushrooms. Then we're gonna add a pinch of salt and we are gonna stir them all together until well combined. We are gonna add also a pinch of black pepper, and a very important herb for this recipe is the nutmeg. So we are gonna add quite a teaspoon of nutmeg. We are gonna saute the veggies for 5 minutes and then we are gonna add the vegan meat. I use here pea protein vegan meat, which I buy at my supermarket, but you can also use seitan or granulated soya. Every meat-free and vegan meat alternative is good for this sauce. Then we're gonna use quite one bottle of tomato sauce, and I like to add to my sauce just one glass of water, but you can use also the vegetable broth. And 2 bay leaves. Bay leaves are very important for this sauce because they release all their etheric oils inside and make it very aromatic. Then let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes.